Hi, Paul Wheeler here with Servant Heart Selling, and we're in beautiful downtown Baltimore at the Real Estate Success Rocks Conference with 300 of the best agents in the country. And it's amazing, no matter what level you're at, the best thing I've learned is there's always something you can learn. There's always a way to up your game, and so we're doing an amazing job in Tulsa, Oklahoma with our team. But when I come here and see people from all over the country using different techniques and different technology, it just shows me that you can never, ever stop learning. So continue to learn, which reminds me, we have a new workshop coming out this next week with Servant Heart Selling, and we've revamped it and made some improvements. So if you've done it before or you haven't done it, please stay tuned. I think it'll really benefit you in your real estate business. And as always, let's remember to put the service back in selling and make it a great week.